Hey guys, I'm Makis.
Hey, and I'm Zisis.
We are from ultrasnow.eu, and we are a blog that helps people to unlock their iPhones.
Yeah, we are doing this for at least 9 years, I guess, for the blog part. This is a new series on YouTube because, videos are much better than articles, and many people will understand quicker of what is going on around iPhone unlocking and all the other areas that
Yes.
we will cover.
Ultrasnow started almost since the release of the first iPhone, the original iPhone. We will have an interview in one of our next shows with the founder of the blog. This is joined 9 years ago. I joined 5 years ago.
Yeah, around 8, I think. 8, not 9. Yeah.
Okay. What joined us together was that we were all scammed by an iPhone unlock company.
Yeah. Don't misunderstand us. We are not offering any services. You will not be able to unlock your iPhones through us. We will not sell you anything. We are just providing solutions, either free or paid, depending on the situation actually of your iPhone.
Yes, there are ways to unlock your iPhone for free. Of course there are. It's difficult, but it can be done. For SIM unlock, when you are the original owner, for example, yes, it can be done. Things changed in iPhone unlocking for sure, especially since 2017. Canada made the beginning. Anyway, we will give you many info in our next videos, but I want again to repeat this. We are not an iPhone unlock company, so don't start sending IMEIs on the comment sector. Instead, you can tell us if you want to, what is your problem, what mobile network you want to unlock, if you have an iCloud lock on your tell us your problem, but don't send us your IMEIs. We won't do anything with them.
Don't share them publicly anyway. It's not always a very good idea.
Yes.
Also, I want to add that there are hundreds of iPhone unlock companies out there. I mean, if you make a simple Google search, you will see them. I think millions.
Millions, yes.
A lot of them are scams, but there are also many of them, a small portion of course, but there are a lot of them that they can do their job very good. This is what we will try to show you. We will mostly review. I think that the best part will be, the scammers.
Yes.
Our best part. But you will also have some solutions that are trusted and guaranteed, so you can go ahead and unlock your iPhone.
Yes, this is it. There are a few solid IMEI unlock providers. IMEI used to be the thing until 2 years ago. So
too bad.
This is another hint, another spoiler alert. 2 years ago, I would tell you, okay, go to a solid IMEI unlock provider, and this is it. You will unlock your iPhone. Things are not like this nowadays, but we will get to it. So to continue to explain little things, we will do many videos. Our videos will contain these parts. The first one, of course, will be iPhone unlocking. iPhone unlocking has a few ways to do so. It used to be, the first way was jailbreaking and using ultrasnow.
Like our blog.
Yes. Then we had the hardware unlock. It still exists. It's not so, okay, we don't like it, but we will see it. There is the IMEI unlock, of course. There is the SIM unlock request to the mobile network. We'll tell you more about it. This is something free. You can do it for free. You can trust an IMEI unlock, an iPhone unlock provider for it. You see, it's something that I get used to tell about IMEI unlock providers. So the first part of, not the first part of our videos, but the most part will be about iPhone unlocking for sure. The SIM unlock solution.
Yeah.
The second,
just I want what we will start with the free versions.
Yes.
First, so you can do it yourselves. The next part will be the iCloud unlocking. I mean, this is something that's
huge.
A lot of scammers out there, so we will do many reviews on those. We already created some posts for the past 1-2 years, I think. We will just, let's say, not transcribe it, but we'll do live reviews with you, so you can understand how the process goes, so you can also identify by yourself if a website and a company is a fake.
The best thing about scams, and this was the first idea when we decided to make a YouTube show, and we hope to get, this is our first time that we are doing a video anyway, so sorry.
You can understand.
Anyway, we promise that if you trust us, this thing will get better with every video. But the thing with scams, okay, I can tell you that don't go to that site and it's a scam, don't use it. But if you can see live when we go to this site and we using a real iPhone and their services, unexisting most of the times, it will be better to understand how these things works. And you can use this info not only for iPhones, but for everything, because unfortunately there are many scammers about anything. But
you will not believe it, how many scammers.
So yes, reviews, iPhone Unlock companies reviews, of course we will have those too. We will also review solid iPhone Unlock providers. And okay, there are many of them. At this point we will see prices, how much time it will take for them to unlock an iPhone.
Their customer support, very important.
Yes, things like this, but okay, there are solid providers, we will show them to you.
The most important factor will be, of course, to unlock your iPhone. This will be the icon.
The third part, or the third sector, it will be blacklisted iPhones. Also huge. Okay, unlocking a blacklisted iPhone, it's a little bit tricky. It can be done. There are many ways.
Variations.
Yeah, variations, yes. Difficult word. Okay. There are different things.
And paid services.
There are all paid services. You cannot do it for free. Even if it's not lost or stolen, you will understand at some point what I'm talking right now. It will be blacklisted for pending contract bills. You will have to pay for them, if you can, to unblacklist your iPhone. So, blacklisted iPhone SIM unlock and unblacklisting an iPhone, a blacklisted iPhone, you can do it for free. I can tell you this since day one, since this intro video.
And
we have a part 4.
I mean, okay, it's exposing the scammers again. I mean, we told it in the first part.
Yes, yes.
I mean, it was the 4th part, but I was too eager to tell it. But also, we will include some very nice tutorials and guides on SIM unlocking, iCloud unlocking, unlocking blacklisted iPhones and unblacklisted iPhones.
It's completely different things.
But what we will focus on, the ones that will be paid services, is to provide you the one that the job will be almost guaranteed to get completed. It's not always guaranteed. No, I don't think there is a company that can say, no, I can unlock it.
But there are companies that you will take your money back.
Yeah, very important part.
Because there are other companies that you pay some money up front. I think the deal there is paying $20 or $30, something like this, US dollars.
Pre-order it.
Yes, pre-order it, and when you see that there is no service, your
money,
they're gone. It's not like
it's gone.
So you will see what we are talking about, and of course we'll have these guides. We will have tutorials about other stuff that are related to iPhone unlocking.
And actually, they can ask us anything they want to the comments.
Again,
to get some ideas.
The comment sector is very important for us. This is how we work on the blog. On the blog, people ask us things on the comments there, and this drives us to do new articles, finding out new stuff. So, as we told you from the beginning, we are not an iPhone unlock company, but we surely know how to unlock an iPhone, all the ways about unlocking an iPhone, and we will tell you everything about it. And I think we forgot the most important part, the IMEI check.
Oh, yeah.
Tell them about it.
Yeah, it's basically the only way to identify what's going on with your iPhone. Without an IMEI check, you will not be able to go and even do a free unlock with your iPhone, because there are a lot of things that you need to know. And of course, before buying an iPhone, the IMEI check is very important. You don't want to buy a stolen iPhone. You will get in trouble, most likely. So, yeah. Also, I mean, those tutorials will be very, very detailed and very specific to your case, depending on your comments, I mean, on what you will ask us to do. So, yeah, I think that you will find a lot of solutions with us.
So this is the first video, the introduction video.
A really long one, but
this goes about getting to know each other, get used to us. You will see our faces a lot.
And our cat.
Yes, where is cat?
I don't know, somewhere.
You will meet it at some point. Anyway, we will have our next video next week. I don't know what we will do. But I'm very excited about it.
Yeah, we have a lot of topics prepared, so we will do something very cool.
So when we finish with this, I don't think that we will finish soon. You will know everything about iPhone unlocking like us. It's not difficult. It's about getting used to the right process, the right procedure to follow when you want to unlock an iPhone, or even when you want to buy a used iPhone. Buying a used iPhone, the iMate second part, it's so many things. So that was our first video.
Yeah.
You can subscribe to see what we are telling you.
One video per week, right?
Yes, one video per week. So, maybe it will be on Wednesday, I believe right now. This is we are doing this on Wednesday. So, okay, it will be one weekly show. So subscribe, send us a comment, like the video, and we will talk soon. Take care.
Goodbye.